Hello traders, Gary Wagner here. It is 11:30 in Honolulu, 5:30 in New York on Monday, 22nd day of May 2023, and this is the daily report for gold and silver. Although the debt ceiling negotiations are still at a stalemate and the President and Speaker of the House are currently meeting in Washington, D.C., traders instead chose to focus upon statements by Federal Reserve officials going against the grain of what Powell spoke about last week. That pressured gold lower. Gold basis the most active June contract is currently down $7.90 and fixed at $1,973.70. The dollar was in essence unchanged today, trading up 0.05%, with the dollar index currently fixed at 103.135. Lastly, silver continued its decline, down 1.12%, with the most active July contract currently fixed at $23.79. Considering that the stalemate continues, traders came to a virtual hush in terms of trading in the gold market today, with a contracted range of about $14, opening at $1979.40, trading to a high of $84.80 and a low of $70.70, as expressed in this small red candle here. Trading will begin in Australia in about 3 minutes, or 6 o'clock in New York, and the President, along with McCarthy, have been in negotiations for approximately a half an hour. So we can expect to see some increased volatility tonight as reactions come out as to whether or not the President and McCarthy found any common ground, which is to say that price changes are going to be news-driven rather than technically based. However, we still do want to look at different levels so that if gold rises or falls, we can determine where it could go to. In terms of gold support, it comes in at $1,956 with major support at the 100-day moving average. Now the gold is broken below the 50-day moving average, and that comes in much lower at approximately $1,935. We have converted our daily candlestick chart into a shorter term 480-minute candlestick chart, and we can see this rounded bottom that came in at 1956, as well as minor support above that at 1973. Although gold traders today focused on recent statements by two Federal Reserve officials, realize that the crisis of the debt ceiling comes well before the next FOMC meeting, and although the two sides, the Democrats and Republicans, are definitely worlds apart in terms of what they will accept, both McCarthy and Biden continue to come out with optimistic statements, and those will continue to pressure gold lower. That being said, we will maintain a neutral stance with no active trades in gold or silver. This has been Gary Wagner, wishing you as always good trading. We will talk to you tomorrow for the next daily update and review. Bye-bye.